I never thought about the universe, it made me feel small. Never thought about the problems of this planet at all. Global warming, radioactive sites, imperialistic wrongs, and animal rights. No! Why think all the bad things when life is so good? Why up with an M when there's always a could? Let the whales worry about the poisons in the sea. Outside of California, it's foreign policy. I don't want changes, I've no reactions. Your dilemmas are my distractions. That's the way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. You made it through, but nevertheless, I got you out on a wire. You be love and I'll be a liar. Tell it all and fill up the air, but make it loud, cause nobody's there. Nobody's there. Nobody's there. Stop, turn, take a look around, and all the lights and sounds, let them bring you cast up the crunch that kills the pain. The red flag waving never meant the same. The kids of tomorrow don't need today when they live in the sins of yesterday. Well, I never seen us act like this. Our only hope is the minds of kids, and they'll show us a thing or two. Our only weapons are the guns of youth, until the time for the tighten that noose. Then the hunt will be on for you. The red flag waving never meant the same. No, the red flag waving never meant the same. Cast up the crutch that kills the pain. The red flag waving never meant the same. The kids of tomorrow don't need
for a style that they just don't understand. Chalk it up to the difference between the industry supply and demand. Say you please when you're stabbed with a knife through the heart of what you've always believed. Well, pull that bloody knife back out and wave it at the pessimism in me. Say goodbye to all the preconceptions that you had. Say goodbye to everything you know. Take the time and toe the line between what you have and what you think you'll find. 'Cause I know, let's hear it for lack of origination. It's all the same thing if you look at it right. I can tell you without any hesitation that this will not survive. This happens to you.
It's just a problem that I'm faced with. Am I not the only one who hates to stand by complications at it first in this line? With all these pictures running through my mind, knowing endless consequences, I feel so useless